Toba, I'm Jack the Greek and welcome back for another episode. Today's episode is quite a quick one. It is dark, it is late, but the kids want a bit of a mezze. And what? They've asked for Cypriot, souvlakia or loukanika. So what I'm going to do is combine the two. As you know, Jack the Greek made his own beautiful Cypriot loukanika just recently. So I'm going to complement them with some pita bread and traditional ingredients that any Cypriot would have in their souvlaki. We have onion, tomato, cucumber, and parsley, and some pepper for those ones that like it a little bit spicy. So we're going to cook this all on the crossroad barbecue. It's not going to take us more than 2 or 3 minutes to cook our loukanika and warm up our pita bread, and then we'll plate it all up. Okay, so as you can see now, I've put all my ingredients all around me. I've got my parsley again, my pepper beautiful peppers, my onion, tomato, and obviously cucumber. I've got my lemon as well that we're going to use at the end, and obviously my pita breads. Now it's time, beautiful. Our Cypriot loukanika, homemade by Jack the Greek. You would have seen them on other videos that I've made, but here we go. Let's try them for the first time. Beautiful. Put them on the crossroad barbecue with all burners on high. This shouldn't take longer than 2 or 3 minutes on either side to cook. And then the last 30-40 seconds, we'll place our pita bread. Oh, bus. Look at this. Beautiful loukanika. They're nearly ready. And as you can see, so now it's time to put our pita breads. So we'll grab our pita breads, and you'll notice we're one short in pita breads, and that's because Jack the Greek couldn't help himself and nibbled one already. So we've only got 3 left now to serve the kids, but that's all right. 3 should be enough. Beautiful. Look at this. So I'm starting to turn them over now. Oh, it's a little bit overcooked, but that one's okay. So that won't take long now. And let's take our loukanika off and just put them on the side here. So you can serve them like this, a beautiful Cypriot loukanika, and you can make a nice, beautiful platter like this with other mezzedas, your tomata, your onions, your cucumbers. But what we're going to do is use our pita breads. So we've got them there. Quickly, we'll put them in just so they can cool down a little bit. There we go. We've a little bit burnt that one, but that's okay. So we've got them there. We'll let them cool down a little bit. And traditionally in Cyprus, this is what you'll get in a souvlaki. Cucumber, tomato, onion, a bit of pickle, and obviously maydano, which is parsley. So let's just grab our one here. I've got one that I've cut previously. Here it is, just like this. So traditionally, you cut it like that. Oh, they're very hot at the moment. And you open it up, just like this. And that's how you make little pockets. Okay, so now it's time to prepare our souvlakia, our Cypriot souvlakia. I've made my pockets, like I said, just like that. See that? And, we've got 4 again. I quickly went and got another one. Because with these 2, what we're going to do is just cut them up, just like this, into 4, to show you another way how you can serve and plate up your meal with some beautiful Cypriot souvlakia. So we'll leave the pita bread just here on the side. Beautiful, just like that. And with these ones, we'll fill them up like you would traditionally in Cyprus. Just like that, create a small pocket, grab one of the loukanika and put it in like that. Beautiful, just like that. Grab some cucumbers, use your hands, tomato, like that, some onion, and some parsley, just like this. Put a pickle in for the ones that want it, just like that, and give them a slice of lemon. There we go. The next one, similar again. Similar pocket, hold it like that, grab a loukaniko, put it in, grab some cucumber, just like this, tomato, like that, some onion, some parsley, and again, grab a pickle as well, and plate it up just like that. With the other ones, you can simply just grab them, put them in front, grab your pita bread to the side, and just slice them like this. Slice them like this into little bits. Put them on the platter, on a bench, like this. Put them out like that. One more cut here. Oh, you can smell the onion. And look at that. Look in there. Look at it nice and closely. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. And grab your lemon. Put it on like that. Grab some onion, some parsley. Put it on top. Grab a pipita, a pickle, And there you go. And let's not forget, we have our mythos beer to complement our meal. We'll put all our little side dishes away for now. Tidy up a little bit. And once again, bring our plate forward and enjoy another meal by Jack the Greek. Cypriot Loukaniko Souvlaki style or meze. Opa.